So we're very happy to have had the chance to update our 2021 study on the value of plasma therapies in Europe. The goal with the report is essentially to have an encyclopedia on how plasma therapies add value. To do that, we consider the entire value chain from donor to patients and see how plasma therapies add value. Some of the key insights from today was the unique characteristics that characterize plasma therapies, that they're not interchangeable treatments, so they are needed from a patient point of view, and that they can support the European economy to a great extent. There are multiple reasons why I find the economics of plasma therapy is hugely interesting. I'll just name a few. One is that economics is the study of scarce resources, and that has a key application in plasma therapies because plasma is a scarce input raw material that is needed for the production process. The second thing I find hugely interesting in that is that of plasma economics, so this kind of joint production process where you can produce multiple plasma therapies from the same input material. This has very interesting applications in terms of the cost structure, but also in terms of potentially the pricing structure afterwards. And lastly, I find the policy and ethical aspects of plasma donations hugely interesting. How we ensure that there are voluntary and unpaid donations in Europe, while still ensuring that there are sufficient amounts of plasma therapies available for patients. First of all, I think this conference shares one of the key traits with a lot of my favorite conferences, which is this kind of community feeling that you get when you arrive here. So everybody's here to discuss with each other, to share knowledge and information, and that is something I find hugely interesting. From an economic point of view, I think this is a good place to apply your economic knowledge, again, because it has substantial applications in plasma therapies.